Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transpose data in Microsoft Excel. Whether you want to convert vertical data into horizontal format, or change horizontal data back into vertical, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and make your Excel work much easier. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where your data is located. Place your cursor on the data you want to change. Once you're there, press the Control key and the A key together to select all the data. After that, press Ctrl and C to copy the selected data. Make sure the data is copied properly before moving ahead. Next, click on the cell where you want the converted data to appear. Now, right-click on that cell and look for the option called Paste Special. Click on it, and you'll see several useful options that help you control how your data is pasted. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the destination cells are empty, double-check the selected data range, and avoid overlapping existing data. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent formatting issues. Once the Paste Special window opens, find the option called Transpose and select it. After that, click OK. You'll instantly see your vertical data converted into horizontal format. If you want to do the opposite, simply repeat the same steps and use Transpose again to convert horizontal data into vertical. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transpose data in Excel quickly and without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?